Good day, applicant A1200223.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mildred Magbato, 26 years old, single. We are 7 in the family. I'm the third one. I am undergraduated as a diploma in agricultural technology in Bago City College. I am Christian Baptist.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, Ma'am and Sir, I have experience here in the Philippines for 6 years. They are one couple in one family and one child. I do clean the house. I cook simple Filipino food and I learned on how to cook Chinese food. I can go to market, mopping the floor, washing the dishes and clothes. The duties and responsibilities are the children, where they are giving food, preparing the school uniform, send and pitch to school, help them in doing assignments, and sometimes bring to the park.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, sir and ma'am, I like cooking, reading, and listening music.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to have a better family.
Any message for your future employer?
Yes, Ma'am and Sir, if you choose me as one of your servants, I will do my duties and responsibilities. I'm an honest girl, patient and hardworking, and I will treat you as my family. As my own family. And I promise you, I finish my contract in 2 years. Hope to see you soon, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.